We've covered strategy, data, vendors, and structure. But there's a truth that many technology-focused leaders learn the hard way. The technology is often the easy part. The hard part is the people. AI represents changes in how people work, what skills they need, what's valued, and for some, whether their role will exist in the same form. Managing that change, helping people navigate uncertainty, building buy-in, addressing resistance, is as important as getting the technology right. Let's start by understanding why people resist AI adoption. Resistance isn't irrational. It's usually grounded in legitimate concerns. Fear of job loss. This is the elephant in the room. People worry that AI will make their roles redundant. For some roles, this concern is valid. Pretending otherwise damages trust. For most roles, AI is more likely to change work than eliminate it. But that's still disruptive. Fear of inadequacy. People worry they won't have the skills to work with AI. This is especially acute for experienced professionals who've built up expertise over years and now face learning curves that feel steep and unfamiliar. Loss of autonomy. AI can feel like it's taking over decision-making. Professionals who value their judgment may resist being told what to do by an algorithm or having their work reduced to prompt writing. Distrust of the technology. People have seen AI failures in the news. They may have personal experiences with AI making mistakes. Skepticism about whether AI can really do what's promised is often healthy. Organizational distrust. If previous technology initiatives were handled poorly, broken promises, inadequate training, job losses without support, people will be wary of this one. Understanding these concerns is the first step. Addressing them requires deliberate change management. Let me give you some principles. Principle 1. Start with why. Before you talk about what AI can do, explain why it matters. Connect AI to business challenges people understand and care about. We're losing market share because competitors respond to customers faster. It's more compelling than AI can automate workflows. Principle 2. Be honest about the impacts. Don't sugarcoat it. If some roles will be eliminated, say so early. If work will change significantly, acknowledge that. People can handle difficult truths. They can't handle feeling deceived. Honesty builds trust that enables change. Principle 3. Involve people early. People support what they help create. Involve affected employees in identifying AI opportunities, designing solutions, and piloting implementations. This builds ownership and surfaces practical insights that improve outcomes. Principle 4. Invest in skills. Address the fear of inadequacy with real investments in training. Don't just train on tools. Help people understand how AI fits into their work, how to collaborate with AI effectively, and how to develop judgment that AI can't replicate. Principle 5. Celebrate early wins. Success breeds acceptance. Find opportunities for quick wins that demonstrate value visibly. Share stories of how AI helped specific people to do their jobs better. Make success tangible and personal. Principle 6. Create safety nets. If roles will be eliminated, provide transition support, retraining, redeployment assistance, severance. How you treat those affected sends a powerful message to everyone watching. Leadership behavior sets the tone for change acceptance. Let me highlight a few critical leadership practices. Lead by example. If leaders aren't using AI tools themselves, why should anyone else? Visible leadership adoption signals that AI is a priority and that learning is expected at all levels. Make it safe to experiment. AI adoption requires experimentation, and experimentation means some failures. Create an environment where people feel safe to try things, make mistakes, and learn, without fear of punishment. Listen actively. Create channels for feedback and concerns. Listen to resistance as information, not insubordination. The people closest to the work often see problems and opportunities that leaders miss. Maintain the long view. Change takes time. There will be setbacks, resistance, and moments of doubt. Leaders who maintain commitment through challenges while remaining open to course correction signal that this isn't just another initiative that will fade away. Let me highlight the group that's often overlooked in change management: middle managers. Middle managers are crucial because they translate strategy into action. They shape their team's attitudes, and they often have the most at stake. Their role may change significantly as AI automates some of what they currently do. So engage middle managers early. Help them understand the strategy and their role in it. Invest in their development. Address their concerns. If middle managers become champions of change, implementation accelerates. If they become blockers, it stalls, no matter how good the technology or how committed the executives. Let me close with a reframe. Change management isn't about overcoming resistance. It's about enabling adoption. The goal isn't to get people to grudgingly accept AI. It's to help them embrace it, contribute to it, and thrive with it. That happens when people believe the change is worthwhile, when they feel capable of succeeding in the new environment, and when they trust that the organization has their interests in mind. Create those conditions, and adoption follows. In the next lecture, we bring everything together into a concrete deliverable, creating your AI roadmap.